Nahal Haredi is a unit in the IDF that's built for Haredi society, with keeping the environment of the Haredi society and their values. I think that's the most important mission for the Israeli society, to see the Haredi society involved in the security and the economy of Israel. That program gives thousands of Haredi youth the option to be part of the security and to be part of the economy of Israel after the IDF service.
The Nahal Haredi program is critical for the future of the State of Israel.
Every year, we have more than 1,000 Haredim that's drafted to the IDF. Today, we have more than 23,000 veterans. All of them are in the Israeli society, they have a good job. Most of them still Haredi.
It's a special honor to serve in the IDF, especially as a religious Jew. When I joined the army, I felt like it really made me a better person, more independent, able to keep to a schedule, and I think it just built me up as a person.
In Nahal Haredi organization, we have homes for lone soldiers from US and from France, from countries all over the world, but we have a lot of soldiers from Israel. They are lone soldiers because their families against the IDF service.
A Haredi boy that decides to go to the army, he has to be very brave, and he has to go against his values, things that he was brought up on, and I want to be there for them.
We are coming to the bases with advisors, with rabbis every day, and we're giving them lessons in emunah, bitachon, and a lot of Jewish values. After the IDF service, we have a big program that gives the veterans the option to be part of the Israeli society. We have academic programs, we're giving them professional courses, and we have places of veterans to live together before they're getting married, and we're covering everything to bring them success after the IDF service.
When I finished the army, this organization helped me with getting into apartment, getting furniture for the apartment, connecting to a big community. They also helped me start the path to become a certified electrician. To me, this organization is just like a big family, and it's a community for life.
Another very important program that we are really excited about, it's a mental health program.
To go to the army is very difficult, but when you come from a Haredi background, it's even more difficult because you're not brought up to it. Their families are against them going to the army. We try to be there to support them. So for many of these soldiers, this place becomes their home.
In the war, a lot of Haredi soldiers and fighters was part of it. Some of them died in the war, and a lot of veterans, more than 15,000, came to their reserve unit and was part of that critical war for Israel.
I believe that after they go through this process, they will be very proud of themselves, and they will be able to tell their children. The 7th of October war, I was there to protect my nation, and I'm proud to be part of it.
Our most important fundraising now, we must see more Haredim in the IDF. We want to double the numbers of Haredim in the IDF next year, and we now want to build with a new program that's called Netivim. This is the guidance center that can bring Haredim from the field with the leaders to the IDF. The potential impact of Nahal Haredi in the Israeli society, it's like revolution, because we can bring thousands of Haredi to the security and the economy, and we can change the future of Israel. Thank you, Impact Forum Foundation, for the big support for the most important mission of Israel, to bring thousands of Haredim to be part of the security of Israel. Thank you very much.